What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the On3 channel with your boy Lewis. Today we got a pretty unexpected video. It's a last minute decision that we took last night actually. This was not planned. We're currently at Buc-ee's. As you can see, we just finished tanking up our storm over here because this is what we're going to be riding in. And then we flipped this phone over. Bro, we got a 2-hour, 60-minute drive ahead of us. We're actually going to San Antonio right now. It's a beautiful day. Go pick up a 5.3 block that we seen on Marketplace for a really good deal, guys. Like I couldn't just pass up on it. It's an amazing engine. It's refurbished, and it has a little bit of modifications to it, which I think is gonna be perfect for us. So yeah, with that being said, guys, we're gonna keep driving. We're trying to be there before 1 o'clock. So yeah, real quick, I'm gonna go get some snacks and keep talking about this one in the car. All right, guys, so we're back on the road. We got our snacks, got a little taco. Yo, what the fuck? Don't do that shit, nigga. What the fuck on?
We're back on the road, got some snacks. Hell yeah, we
Don't fucking fart. I don't do shit again.
I had to.
All right, guys, so we're back on the road. We already got our snacks. Got a little energy drink, some water. Oh yeah, somebody tagged along. This fool got all the snacks. Hey, y'all know who this is? This is my older brother. He tagged along today, just in case things go south over there. He got the hand. But yeah, guys, we're back on the road, and we'll keep you updated on what's we'll keep you updated. But yeah, we'll keep you updated on when we get there. We got 2 hours and 10 minutes ahead of us. Try and make it there in 2 hours. Just kidding, we ain't trying to get pulled over. But yeah, pick that 5.3 block, and we'll talk more about that whenever we pick it up and we have it in our hands.
2 hours later.
We finally made it. Oh, we got our cash right here. Hello, ¿cómo está? What's up, man? Oh, appreciate you, bro. How you doing?
We can take off the plastic. I got another plastic inside if you want to check it
Okay,
out.
bet.
They go, le pusieron los new cam rings. So
Okay.
it's 30 ready to just put a new cam in there. Everything pretty much. The only reason I bought it because whenever I bought this motor, tenía un little like scratch in the head, in the cylinder. Y el vato me dijo, because I was only gonna get it clean. I was like, wait, you have a nick on one of the heads. And he was like, we can clean it, but he was like, once you put the new rings in, it's gonna start, you know, little by little, so empezar a
Yeah.
fuck up again. He was
Yeah,
like,
probably like 1,000 miles under. Yeah,
Smooth it
dude,
out.
that thing looks nice, honestly,
Yeah.
bro. Yeah, I got a little new cat back at the house that recently started ticking on the left side, bro. I was like, maybe it's a lifter, maybe not. I'm like, but just in case it's not, like, you know, have this as a backup, you know what I mean? So, yeah, bro, that's a bet.
This was gonna go on 93.
Oh, really?
Yeah, little
Oh, yeah.
BS, single cab.
Hey,
Bought
bro.
this 18-wheeler. Not just bought it. And I'm gonna go buy another one. So I was like, man, I'm gonna put this in the back burner because
Yeah, bro, make some money instead of wasting money. I'm gonna go get the cash out real quick. So just like that, guys, I guess you already seen what we came for. We're all the way out here in San Antonio, and we're picking up a 5.3 block that's gonna probably be going into one of our trucks. I'm not gonna say which one just yet, but stick around and you'll find out. Come on, buddy, you gotta help me load this joint up, man. What you doing? Yes, you, fool. Oh yeah, that thing's awesome. Sheesh.
those caps de abajo del crank. Mira, this is a crank. So
Okay.
it's clean también. I sprayed it with WD-40 so it won't get rusted. Wrapped it with saran wrap. If you're not gonna put it on, I had it standing. That's what they told me.
Okay.
Leave it standing para que no se haga no se vaya, ¿cómo se llama?
Yeah, not sure.
Yeah, like
Sí.
throw time, you know?
See, because it's supposed to be like balanced, quién sabe qué, and if it just, you know, anything,
Dents anything.
it'll mess up the whole, quién sabe
The
qué.
whole
So,
inside of the block. Got you, bro.
yeah. And
So you
these are
stand
the
there what,
caps.
from here?
I put it on a bucket, wrapped it with some blankets, because these are the caps for the bottom for the crank. You're probably gonna have to need new bolts, but they gave me all the old bolts.
Hey, that's
So,
not crazy.
Yeah. If you forget like what size piston, pues ahí te lo da. That's the piston size you're gonna need for this. Pretty much everything they did to the
Got
the
you,
engine.
bro. Not bad.
I had sprayed it with WD-40, but it looks like ya se le acabó.
So spray it a little bit more right
Yeah,
now.
this one won't get rusted.
Got you, bro.
And
Got
just, you know, wrap it otra vez. They give me another extra bag, so.
Hell yeah, bro.
Be nice,
Appreciate
you know?
you, bro. So, aquí está lo tuyo, güey. So este güey tiene un vet. So I was like, he has the LS1 vet, the 97. So I was like,
sí.
oh, probably start matching you up, you know? A ver qué. Like, I wish I had a truck. Would have been a lot easier. This is the reason why we bought Storm. I think that thing is like 230 pounds. The car is lowered on e-box, but I think this thing should handle the weight. At the end of the day, they call these boats for a reason. So let's put that thing in here. and we'll be back on the road. You see he has an 18-wheeler? Oh, I see it. That's him out there. Damn, that boy bought an 18-wheeler, is gonna buy another one. He got his priorities straight. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm over here buying a damn block for a truck that we might just sell. We don't even know yet. That's not, bro. Appreciate you. And I got a YouTube channel, bro. If you want to check it out, already just in Houston, bro.
Starting it or what?
Yeah, just starting it, bro.
What's the channel?
On 3. Got you right here, bro. Share. I don't even think it pops up yet, bro. But let me see. I just sent you a link.
¿El del gato?
No, wait, no.
Oh.
What's this there?
Oh, okay.
That one. Yeah, bro.
Yes,
I
bro.
saw. Well, appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
Crank on the side, engine in the back. So I'm gonna go post up real quick at the gas station and get this situated. All right, guys, and just like that, we got the engine and the back of the car. And honestly, I don't look like it went down at all. Probably did. Who knows? I think it did go down. Luckily, we got a pretty smooth ride on the way back, and I think we should just be just fine. So here it is. Here is what we came and picked up. This is a 5.3 engine, ported with the 5.7 heads. This thing is ready to just be completed, guys. It's ready to be mounted. All you just need is get a bigger piston, and this thing should be doing just fine, honestly. We have the receipt with what it came with, and we'll be going over this one a little bit later. We gotta hit the road already, guys. Hopefully our drive back goes as smooth as it was coming over here. We're gonna get back into this car, hit the road, and be back in Houston. And just like that, 412. Oh my god, we are finally back. Jesus Christ, it was a drive. We beat the time like 20 minutes, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was supposed to be back at 4:40. That's 4:13. Not bad. We put on the comfy boys, as you can see. So open that trunk. Oh, and then yeah, we have the crankshaft right here, guys. It is wrapped up, it is oiled up, and it's gonna stay like that while we figure out what's going on with the other engine that we're trying to mess with. Do that 20. I'm gonna take that 20. It was a success, brother. We made it here, and it is time to take it out because I think it is putting a lot of weight on that suspension. I think we're fine, bro. I don't know. I mean, the other day we had a lot of people in here, and I'm pretty sure it exceeded over the 200 pounds. That this is like 220, I think. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing out the car real quick and take it inside and see where we're gonna place it, and as well with this box with the bottom of the, I don't know what you call those. We're gonna find out. We're gonna learn all about this because honestly I don't know what I'm getting myself into. All right, guys, so just to cut off this video short today, that was actually all we had planned for the day. It took up literally almost all the day, which is crazy. I wish I would have probably woken up earlier and got some stuff done in the morning, but it's fine. We gotta work on my Luna. She's almost, I'm not gonna lie, bro, she's nowhere near done. I do need to get my hands on that one ASAP. It's gone longer than what it should have gone. That's my fault, you know. But yeah, the engine is back at the house. Thankfully, we made it back safe. No blowout, no issues with the car whatsoever. What was it, like 400 miles in total? No, well, maybe somewhere around 400 miles in total on the old Charger here, which she hold up her her own. And one more thing before I do cut off this video, we have a new member to the channel. She's somewhat of a newborn, and she's actually right over here behind me. Meet my new doggo. Her name is Nola. You'll be seeing her a lot more on the channel. She has an attitude, but nothing that we can't handle, right, baby girl?